When I check student health list transfer, check out the student, and when I check in the student balance has unbalanced amount is €4. Okay, but when I compare with the school contract, amount to pay of the down payment is paid is 8,000, but when I try to check for using for each student change, the total amount of the terms is not matched with the full contract. Here, for the payment of term 1, display here, and when I check in the school contract, it should match to the school contract. Check in the payment of 1, this is a payment of 2, but not match with the payment of 2 in the student balance. And I check in the payment of term 3 is not match also with the school contract. So this is a reason for the student have unbalance because the amount of the payment of term 1 to 3 is not matched with the school contract there.